Hey, in this video we will talk about the admission process for ISB in detail. Grab your notebook and pen to note down the points. With Global Creed, you will not only be able to fill up the application form but you will also be able to form essays, clear GMAT GRE with flying colors and learn to answer interview questions. Stage 1. Writing the essays. You will be given 2 essays. Let's look upon the ISB PGP essay for 2023. Essay 1. Peer learning is a major building block of PGP at ISB. Help us in understanding how will you be able to add value to the PGP peer group through your personal and professional qualities and capabilities. Here are the ways to structure your Essay 1. Determine and analyze the list of qualities, capabilities that you would like to present. 2. Write concrete and strong examples of these qualities. Number 3. Critically think how you will use these qualities to add to peer learning at ISB. For Essay 2. What are your short-term and long-term career goals? How will postgraduate program at ISB assist you in achieving your goals? Here are the ways to structure your Essay 2. Number 1. In detail, explain your career progress till date and the skills that you have developed. Number 2. Write your short-term and long-term goals that may be required in your field. Number 3. Also talk about how ISB PGP will help you achieve your goals. Let's talk about some tips and tricks to write your essays. Number 1. Understand the topic. Before you start writing, make sure you fully understand the essay topic. Read the instructions carefully and identify the key concepts or keywords. This will help you stay focused on the topic throughout your essay. Number 2. Plan your essay. Take some time to brainstorm and organize your thoughts. Create an outline with a clear structure that includes an introduction, body paragraphs and conclusion. This will help you stay organized and ensure that your essay flows logically. Number 4. Provide evidence and examples. Use evidence and examples to support your arguments and make your essay more persuasive. This can include facts, statistics, research findings. Be sure to properly cite your sources to avoid spam. Number 5. Revise and edit. Once you have completed your first draft, take the time to revise and edit your essay. Check your grammar and spelling errors, clarify your arguments, and ensure that your essay is coherent and cohesive. Number 7. Proofread. Finally proofread your essay to catch any remaining errors or typos. Read it carefully and consider having someone else review it as well as get fresh feedback. Stage 2 requires you to submit the essay and GMAT GRE score. The recommended GMAT score for ISB typically falls in the range of 700 or above, with the average GMAT score for admitted students being around 709. However, it's important to note that ISB considers a holistic approach to evaluating candidates, which includes factors such as work experience, leadership potential, academic background, and overall profile strength, in addition to the GMAT or GRE score. As for the GRE score, ISB does not publish a specific recommended score. However, a competitive GRE score for ISB would generally be in the range of 320 or above. Again, it's important to remember that the overall strength of your profile and other application components will also be considered alongside the GRE or GMAT score. Stage 3 is when you are called upon for interview. Here are some of the tips and tricks to help you prepare and perform well in the ISB interview. Number 1. Know your application. Review your application thoroughly, including your essays, resume, and other materials that you submitted during the application process. Be prepared to elaborate on your experiences, achievements, and motivation. Point 2. Research ISB. Be familiar with ISB's program, culture, values, and recent news. Understand why you are interested in ISB and how it aligns with your career goals. This will demonstrate your genuine interest and enthusiasm for the school. Point 3. Practice your responses. Look at our shorts on the most common questions asked at ISB. We will be answering those questions in the next video. Till then, you can brainstorm on the questions that we have given in the shorts. The link is in the description below. Point 4. Stay updated on the current events. Stay informed about current events, business trends, and industry news that are relevant to your field of interest. This will show your intellectual curiosity and ability to think critically about real-world issues. Number 5. Ask questions. Prepare thoughtful questions to ask the interviewer about